What's going on? YouTube Metal Complex here, and today I wanted to do something special because I'm at 4,000 subscribers, and whoops, sorry honey. I'm at 4,000 subscribers, and you guys have all helped me get there, and this channel has just been growing, and I'm just infinitely appreciative of that. So I thought you guys might want to meet my dogs. This one here, the Australian Shepherd, is Lily, aka Lily Beans. And this one here, Mr. Crazy. Hey, come here, buddy. This is Goose, aka Goosers. This is where they live. This is my backyard. You can see here, this is this main area here is kind of their area. I know, buddy. You want me to throw that? There you go. This is their area. This is where they run around. Their dog house is out there. It's something that we put together to withstand storms and things. You can see there it's concrete, and they've got an awning, and they've got their area to go in there, and it's heated and cooled. And then we have added on here. This is our awning. This is a work in progress. I like to sit out here and watch TV and kick the dogs around, or kick the ball around for the dogs. Are you ready? Kick the ball around for the dogs. This is the swing set that we just put together. This was a summer project that I did for my kids. No, it did not come in a box. This was actually custom designed by my dad, and then me and my dad and my brother put it together. We just went and bought lumber and put it together. Now, I'm not capable of designing something like that. That's something that I need the expertise of my dad for. He owns a construction company and kind of grew up doing that. I know, buddy, you want me to kick this. And don't worry, he whined, but I didn't hit him. Yeah, I'm not capable of doing something like that. But this is the kind of stuff that you know, puts the calluses on my hands. And this is what I'm talking about when I say, you know, I'm doing projects and things in my backyard. There was nothing out here when we bought this house. There was just the yard. There was a single square of concrete. So we poured all this excess concrete. We built this awning. We're still adding on to it. We're still going to do some things out here. But I think you guys might want a little tour of my backyard and to meet my dogs. This one likes to play a lot. This one, Lily, come here. This one is just a sweetheart, and she's really smart. Hey, Lily, show everybody. Hey, Lily, can you kennel? 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 Kennel, please? Kennel? There you go. Good girl. Good girl. This one won't do that. Okay, come on back. Come on, Lily. She's really smart. Sweetest dog in the whole world. I love these two dogs. Yes, they both have collars. I don't make them wear their collars because they have always been out here. They have no they don't care to ever leave the yard. So I just don't make them. The main reason that I don't have them wear their collars is because they will chew the collars off of each other. That's just what they'll do. They're both smart, and they just annihilate the collars that they wear. So anyways, yeah, this is my backyard. This is where I like to hang out. The dogs like to dig, so there's constantly holes being filled with fresh soil. You guys are probably wondering what's the reason for the fence. It's so that I can keep the dog poop in one side of the yard. This side is where the kids play. I don't want that over there. My grass isn't perfect. I know I'm giving a whole bunch of, like, you know, people who are really particular about their yards. I'm giving them a whole bunch of, like, bad examples, you know. So I'm sure there's going to be people in the comment section going, you should be doing this, or you should be doing that, or, you know, you should be doing this with your dogs. Whatever. My dogs do get to come inside when there's bad weather. I live in Kansas, so you know, we have terrible thunderstorms and tornadoes and things like that. And then we have really nasty, severe weather in winter as well. And so, no, these guys are not out here and stuff like that. These guys are well protected. Their shelter is one that they can get into, and that it's actually everything is cemented into the ground. There's like I said, there's you can see out there's concrete, and it's sitting up on kind of pallets that we created so that it can't flood or anything like that. And I live on a slant, so we don't have a flooding problem anyway. And they're also guarded by the fence, and so it's ready to deal with weather like that. In the event that we are not here and able to leave them inside, they have a shelter that we can do that. Anyways, though, as a thank you to all of my viewers, I'd like to do a giveaway. I want to give away this White River Knives Knucklehead 2 that I received from Scott Whittington. This is an awesome little fixed blade neck knife. I've not used this. I have enjoyed playing with it though. I really like how my finger locks in here. This is S35VN. I think these are valued at about 80, 85 bucks, but I thought, you know what? I've got a lot of stuff to give away that's going to be like associated with Patreon, but I just want to give something away that just says, you know, hey, thanks for supporting my channel, you know, to everybody. So this is going to be a giveaway that is going to be available for every person. You'll get the box with this. You'll get, I know, buddy, I know you want me to throw that ball. You're going to get the box with this. You're going to get, you know, the knife itself. It's all going to be in perfect condition. Yeah, but I'll tell you what. I've never done this before in my comment section. I want to know what everybody's favorite fixed blade is. I don't know a lot about fixed blades, and it can be anything. It can be a tiny fixed blade like a neck knife, or it can be a big Bowie knife or whatever. I want to know what your favorite fixed blade is, and if you don't have a fixed blade or you've never owned a fixed blade, maybe list one that has caught your eye, even if you're not a fixed blade person. Even if you don't own it, that's okay. You can just say, hey, I saw this on Blade HQ one time, and it looked really cool, and I thought maybe I'd like that for myself. Leave that comment in 1 week exactly, so it'll be next, I'll probably actually announce it next Saturday. I know it's Sunday, which, by the way, I know some of you guys are going to be disappointed. This video and another video are actually going to take the place of the Knife Guy this week, so there's not going to be an episode of the Knife Guy this week, but you'll get this and you'll get another video today. But next Saturday, I'll do the drawing for this blade. Just make sure that you do have an address you can provide me that's within the continental United States, and make sure you are at least 18 years of age. Other than that, though, it's free to enter for everybody. Thank you so much to everybody who has supported me. This has been so much fun, and you guys have been helping me realize my dream of just, you know, being a knife channel, and it's just working out. So I'm really excited to see what the future holds for this channel. But that's going to be pretty much it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching and hanging out with me and my dogs. You ready, buddy? You got to move out of the way. Ready? Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic rest of your holiday weekend.